Hey guys, first of all, this is my first video of this year, so happy new year for everyone, even though it's quite late to January to end, almost ending, so I'm like giving happy new year right now. I'm so sorry for that, to only now been doing videos, but it's now that I start to have new ideas, new stuff on my mind, so I'm capable of doing some new stuff for you guys. So in this look, as you can see, is a 80s transformation, and I hope you're gonna like it. I'm not going to explain how to do it. I'm just gonna stop to talk right in a minute. So it's just to tell you happy new year to everyone, even though almost on the end of January, but still happy new year. I hope all the best for you, and I hope this year I can bring you more content, more stuff to this channel, and bring you some new to this channel. I don't know, bringing some new stuff and just growing up this channel, maybe, hopefully. And so yeah, to express more myself and be myself this year. I hope I will be able to do that. So yeah guys, all the products that I use on this video, I'll try to remember every product I use, and I will list it down below. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, if you're going to continue to watch all the rest of the video. And yeah, see you soon on my next video too. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you want, of course. But girl, do it, okay? Thank you. Bye bye.
Fold it up, we gon' burn it down. Don't Roll it up, we gon' burn it down.